body temperature, and other sort of things. So, okay, not they're using gadgets to get this information. So, they will not just write the readings of the product. They must be able to interpret the data that they have been able to get with the use of those gadgets. Okay, can I have somebody for it?
The need to communicate with patients and families of patients. In the future, more and more of this will be in written form. Right now, a lot of it's oral communication. But either way, nurses have to be able to gather appropriate information from a patient or from his or her family. If the patient is a child, the nurse must teach someone else how to care for the child. To do this, the nurse has to be able to communicate how to take care of someone at work. Okay? Do you understand that? Very self-explanatory. Next reader, please.
Can I have somebody please give upon themselves to do a lot of writing across the curriculum. Right from the beginning, students are doing those microfilms and a lot of different projects that make them themselves correctly and completely in writing. And we also have students doing presentation. Demanding that they nabasa ko naman. In English na nga alam mo. Next slide.